Hey everyone, in this presentation, we will explore common mistakes new testers make and most importantly, how to avoid them to become more effective in your testing journey. Avoiding common mistakes in software testing is essential. Small errors can lead to bigger problems that affect the quality of software and the productivity of entire testing team. Today we will understand why these mistakes matter and how preventing them helps deliver reliable software on time. Let's see. Mistake 1, poor test planning. One common mistake is rushing into testing without a clear plan. Without defined goals and a structured approach, you may miss critical test cases. Always start with a solid test plan and clear objectives. Let's see mistake 2. Only testing the happy path. Many beginners focus only on happy path, the expected flows where everything goes right. But real users often explore beyond that. Testing both positive and negative scenarios ensure more bugs are found. Mistake 3 is weak test case design. Writing incomplete test cases can cause confusion and missed defects. Effective test cases should be clear, detailed, and easy for anyone on the team to follow. Let's see mistake 4, inadequate regression testing. Skipping regression testing after bug fixes can lead to old problems coming back. Regular retesting, ideally automated, helps ensure previous bugs don't reappear and new changes don't break existing features. Mistake 5 is ignoring logs and error reports. Checking only the user interface overlooks valuable backend information. Logs and error reports can reveal hidden issues that are not visible on the surface. Mistake 6 is using too many or the wrong tools. Using too many tools or unfamiliar tools without mastering them can lead to inefficiencies. Choose integrated tools that fit your process and focus on becoming proficient with them. Mistake 7 is poor communication. Clear communication is key. Incomplete bug reports or unclear messages slow down fixing and frustrate developers. Always provide detailed steps, screenshots, and clear explanations. Let's see summary and takeaways. Remember, good planning, clear communication, exploring beyond happy paths, effective test case design, and continuous learning are the pillars of good software testing. Avoid these common mistakes to become a valuable member of any QA team. Thank you everyone. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Tecktoniq.